Hi, I'm Cameron with Spartan, and today we're going to go over how to install a cable in the drum of a Model 100 machine. So first things first, we want to pick up the drum and loosen up the cable clamp. It's good enough to loosen it up till you start to see threads in between there. Then we'll set this down on its back. Now when we do that, it'll push up on those bolt heads, in which will open up the clamp to let us slide the cable in. Then we'll grab the cable, we'll stick this through the drum till we see it coming out of the inner drum. We'll position it to the right side of the clamp and then simply push the cable into the inner drum, which will naturally make it sweep and angle it behind there. And then we'll grab the inner drum with our hand here while holding the cable so the cable can't come out. And we'll push that and just give it a quick little shove, and that cable will whip under that clamp. Once we have the cable underneath the clamp, we'll flip the drum back up, simply tighten down the two bolts for the cable clamp, and then we're ready to push our cable inside the drum since it is now anchored to the drum. This is Cameron with Spartan, and this is how you install the cable if you have an older drum with a lot of corrosion inside, or if you had the cable in there and were running it without it being behind the cable clamp, and the cable clamp was filled with debris. So first thing we'll do is we'll loosen this cable clamp up. Then we'll take the drum apart. To take the drum apart on the Model 100, it's fairly simple. We just need a pair of snap ring pliers. We'll grab those snap rings, carefully pull them off without over expanding those snap rings. Your clutch will come off, and you have one more snap ring further in here. At that point, then we can pull the inner drum out. So the first thing we're going to do is grab our cable, and we'll push it through this inner drum. And then we'll set the inner drum to the side so it's out of the way. Then we're going to move to our drum, and we're going to put this to the right side of the cable clamp and push this in counterclockwise underneath that clamp. So once we have that to the right side of that clamp, tighten down the two bolts for the cable clamp. And then we'll put the drum back together. So we'll grab our inner drum. Now the cable needs to be at the V, and we'll pull our inner drum back in place. We get the shaft started right onto that drum hub, and then push it down until it pops in place. Then add a little bit more cable into the drum so that this can't slide out. We'll go to the back of the drum. First things first, we'll install one snap ring. Sometimes you need to push on the inner drum. It slides forward up so that snap ring can go in place. Then comes the clutch. Push that on, rotate it till it slides all the way in place. And then we'll grab a second snap ring behind the clutch. And then we're ready to push this cable inside the drum. And your cable's installed in your Model 100.